Churches need more classical instruments. My name's Matt. I've been playing violin for nearly 2 decades classically and in church worship settings for just over 10 years. And I've come to see the immense value that there can be in having instruments in a worship band that aren't typically in that setting. These benefits range from corporate benefits for the congregation as a whole to individual benefits for the musician themselves. For me, getting to play my violin in church has been an incredibly shaping practice in my own faith. The problem is we don't often see classical instruments used in contemporary worship bands. I think the main reasons for this are twofold. The first is that classical musicians don't know how to play their instrument outside of a classical setting. They're used to playing off of sheet music, where there isn't typically sheet music in a worship setting. They're used to having an acoustic instrument, not an amplified instrument, which is typical to worship. They're used to having a conductor. There's no conductor in a worship band. There's a worship leader. Sometimes there's a music director. But nobody's telling you exactly what to play and when, which is totally different from classical music. The second reason is that worship leaders don't really know how to coach classical musicians if they don't have a classical background themselves. And for those two reasons, a lot of classical musicians never even try to take a step into the world of worship, and the church as a whole is the one who suffers. And that's why I think churches need more classical instruments in worship. And I hope that we can help make that happen. If you are a classical musician who wants to take a step into the world of worship, or if you're a worship leader who is looking to support musicians within your own church, please check out our resources at Worship Violin. You can find our website linked below in the description, and we also invite you to check out the other video resources that we have here on this channel. And ultimately, we hope we can help you take steps forward and find deeper connection with God.